How much does an emergency plumber cost? If you're confused about emergency plumbing costs, we will cover all you need to know right here. Emergency plumbing repair costs can vary wildly, but they tend to be split into two parts: a call-out fee and the charge for completing the work. So, with any emergency plumbing job, you need to pay a flat-out fee on top of what completing the work will cost too. Let's talk about the call-out fee. On average, you expect to pay around £75 for an emergency call-out fee. But this cost can vary depending on location, time of day and the plumber you hire. Next, you'll have to pay for the actual work being completed. For a small job that takes under an hour to complete, you'll be charged around £60 on top of the call-out fee. That'll cost £135 on average. Small plumbing job examples are blocked sink, loss of boiler pressure, blocked toilet. For a medium-sized job that takes around 3 hours to complete, you'll be charged £180 on top of the call-out cost. That will cost about £255. Examples of medium-sized plumbing jobs include gas leak, broken pipe, boiler breakdown, blocked drain. Lastly, for a large job that'll take a day, you'll be charged £380 on top of the call-out fee. That'll cost about £455. Larger emergency plumbing jobs include hot water tank repair, serious boiler repair, major flooding or leak. So, that's it. Emergency plumbing costs made simple. If you'd like more details, check out our complete cost guide below. Don't forget that MyJobQuote can supply you with free quotes from our emergency plumbers. Take a look at our site to find the right emergency plumber.